Oh my god, I am holding a front face camera actually in a video form after months and months. For those of you who know me would know that I had 2 YouTube channels that were banned or something happened with them and I had to shut them down. Basically, I lost them. But now, in 2026, today is I think 16th, it's Masik Shivratri and I'm filming my very first video of 2026 YouTube. So let's have 1 minute of silence for that. Actually, I can't be silent, I really need to talk. So silence after the video, after you close YouTube. Currently I'm in Parramatta Park. It's a very nice, huge park, peaceful. We've got families. मेरे पीछे families हैं और मेरे left पे government, old government club or no, not club, old government building है. And then if I keep walking, there should be a very cute pond जिसमें काफ़ी सारी ducks हैं. So we'll have a look in that as well. And also because I have just been working so hard, I'm ashamed that I'm patting myself on the back, which I should not be doing. लेकिन मैं फिर भी कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को पता है मैंने पागलों की तरह काम करा है. So I thought कि अब से मैं 2026 will be the year where I will be who I want to be. And that is, I'll be creative, I'll make videos, no matter whether people like, dislike, or if they get a huge number of views. I will film anything. Okay, I'll stop talking and I will show you around. Oh, वो pond दिखाने के लिए मेरे को काफ़ी walk करना पड़ेगा, which is like at the end of the piece. So I'll do that for my first YouTube video, but I hope pond सूखा ना हो क्योंकि सिडनी में अभी बहुत गर्मी हो रही है. There was a heat wave, and when I say heat wave मतलब कि for the past 3-4 days the temperature was going around 40 degrees. तो अगर इधर 40 degrees हो जाता है मतलब कि इंडिया दिल्ली का it's like 55 degrees. दिल्ली में तो pollution भी है and there's a lot of other negative air quality stuff going on. So उसकी तो बात ही छोड़ो. But what I'm trying to say is कि pond शायद सूखा होएगा तो दिखेगा नहीं. तो I can't be bothered to go. So we will take a turn. But हाँ, pond कहीं उधर है जहाँ पे वो cars वगैरह दिख रही है ना. Exactly there. Anyway, what else? What else is happening in my life? I have put on weight, as might be visible from my body type now. I was a thin body type when I came here 2 years back, but now I've become a healthy body type, which is amazing. No complaints, nothing. It's just that I can't believe that I became a healthy body type. So that's very good. And why I became that healthy body type is because I've been eating chocolates, I've been eating anything that I like. Pizzas, burgers, and I actually enjoyed it. हो सकता है तभी like I've put on weight without realizing कि मेरा weight बढ़ रहा है. So that's that. But yeah, I just thought of starting my videos 2026 16th of January, making my पहली video, and I will make many more. Just do Jai Guruji, bless me with positive vibes, and कल का भी बहुत अच्छा plan मैं कुछ बनाती हूँ, and I will show you. So stay tuned and yeah, keep watching. Oh, I said I won't go to the pond area, but anyway, I landed up near the pond and behind me are black color की ducks. मुझे लगा कि इधर गोरी ducks होंगी, but गोरी नहीं, ये काली रंग की ducks हैं. I'm seeing them for the first time, and that's the pond or a small स्मॉल रिवलेट, जो भी कहना कहो, बट या। और मैं एक्चुअली ब्रिज के ऊपर चल रही हूँ। माई फर्स्ट नाइट में टू वॉक ऑन अ ब्रिज विच इज़ अबव वाटर। बट मैंने डक्स देख ली, मेरी किस्मत ने मेरे को डक्स दिखा दी। मैंने पानी में देख लिया, शांत सा पानी, एंड यस। और क्या चाहिए लाइफ में? कुछ नहीं चाहिए। पॉन्ड्स दो, डक दो, अपने फियर्स फेस करो और बस चलते जाओ। रुकना नहीं है, रुकोगे तो फिर बस काम खत्म। ओके, सो या, थैंक मी। मैं काली डक्स दिखाई। वैसे हम गोरी डक्स देखते हैं, बट काले रंग की भी डक्स होती हैं। दैट्स अ न्यू नॉलेज आई गेन्ड। जस्ट गॉट माई आई टेस्ट डन, so quick, so efficient. They weren't using any archaic machines. जैसे इंडिया में तो बड़ा कहते हैं ना कि ये लाइन पढ़ो, वो लाइन पढ़ो। None of that crap. It was so quick and the lady was like super intelligent. उसने कहा कि आपकी आईज इम्प्रूव हुई हुई है, आपको आप कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज भी लगा सकते हो, सो दैट इज़ ग्रेट। बट उन्होंने लेज़र ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, जो बेसिकली परमानेंट ट्रीटमेंट होता है आइज़ के लिए, मना कर दिया, क्योंकि शी वाज सेइंग कि आफ्टर 10 to 15 years माई पावर फॉर आइज़ कैन कम बैक। सो नो लेज़र फॉर मी, आई विल बी वेयरिंग ग्लासेस एंड आई विल wear contacts only occasionally. Also ये मॉल बहुत लाइक शोर वाला मॉल है, but I've come here because I have to kill time. And कुछ मिला अच्छा तो ले भी लेंगे। इस मॉल में काफ़ी एशियंस हैं, by Asians I mean Indian Asians, तो शूट करना बड़ा weird सा हो रहा है, but that is it. तो देखते हैं what I shop. Training for the day. Since I've come out, I have to end up shopping something, even though my aim was to just get my eyes tested. But look at this. This is such a cute top. Suits my complexion. Very thanda material, and yeah, it's cute. So I will end up buying this. Such a busy mall and a busy store as well. Zara में हमेशा गंद पड़ा होता है कि the moment you enter मन करता है बाहर जाओ. I'll show you around. Unplanned haircut. Actually, it's not a haircut. I'm just getting my bangs done, and I'm getting them after 2 years. That's the new me with fringes. This was very impromptu. I just passed through a salon and thought of getting only bangs. The guy was so good. He convinced me to also get a haircut. So I will get a haircut next week. But मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये. और मैंने उसको बोला कि I've never got bangs, so I'm trusting you fully to make me look good in a style that I've never done before. It looks good. अच्छा लग रहा है. Is that my face? Because early morning it was something else and now it's completely something else. जैसे ही salon से निकलो, your bangs look great, but the moment you shower or wash your hair, bang, और वो फिर पुरानी झाड़ू की तरह लगते हैं. But in any case, I'm really enjoying my look. अपनी शक्ल देख के बोर हो गई थी. होता है ना, कभी तुम दूसरों की शक्ल देख के बोर हो जाते हो, फिर होता है तुम अपनी शक्ल देख के बोर हो गए हो. आई थिंक वो चीज़ मेरे साथ हुई थी. बट अब विद द बैंग्स आई फील लाइक आई एम सीइंग अ न्यू पर्सन इन द मिरर, which feels refreshing, which feels positive, and which makes me feel like getting ready, making up my hair and going for a walk.